The whole of them the payroll. The whole of them react to it. Where I thought.
You pull up them color, you hear them and kill you.
No man. If I did man pull up and color and call my name and him go like me, I tell you the truth, you hear a bag of things. But you see, because I'm the little man. Me are the little man, you know. I'm my big man. So if you me I go there and I wrong at all times. Me not try to change nobody mind. But you see people who need to wake up. Something right. This man never yet wrong. This man never yet wrong, bro. Never yet wrong.
Something no look good.
Mommy, pure rent. Pure rent. My link colors with you for help me pay my rent. For give me a strength. I have to go down on my knees and beg. So him can't have that over me. You get me I say? Him can't have that over me. You get me I say? Colors will come down, man. The colors will come down, man. Just because him have a little money and feel like say, yo, everybody run back him and say, yeah.
What going me, G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
You know, want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
Yo. What a go on, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on, how you do? You know, alright out there? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Now, my viewers and subscribers, you know, I really take 3 days to really think about making this video. And to be honest with you, I try my best. Never did to make this video or no one to make this video. But my mind, my body, my heart and my soul tell me say I must make this video because me no want to play the hypocrite role. No. Me no want to play the hypocrite role. I mean now go play the hypocrite role. No. Me no go and play that. Now my viewers and subscribers, you see what going on out there with Knife Ninja and him bad mind self. Knife Ninja and him claims Color-Smith must come down. You see what going on out there. You see what going on friend turn enemy. Because when friend turn enemy are one of the worst things, you know. So you see all what going on out there. Yeah? Knife Ninja do all kind of things. Every single thing. Listen me good enough. And this is just me being honest. Knife Ninja so want to be Color-Smith that he adapting everything Color-Smith do. If you go back in a Knife Ninja catalog, you can see that Knife Ninja wanted to do June, like take videos and shots of June. Color-Smith was doing the same thing. Every single thing he want to do like Color-Smith. And to me, listen me good now, listen me good. I would say I don't see no problem with trying to follow a man, yeah? Follow a person because you see a person elevate and you try to follow everything what him do. In other words, you mimic everything what him do. It is wrong, it is bad, it is not good, but if you want to mimic what another person do and make money, no problem with that. Bad minding him, that's a problem. Want to see him come down, that's a problem. Worrying about him and his money, that's a problem. So Knife Ninja is doing a lot of things showing that he don't really fun or like Color-Smith for a very long time. Now, Knife Ninja come out and do all these things, all kind of things. Knife Ninja brother come out and say Color-Smith, you know what, gay, yeah? There's no proof to that. However, Colors have proved, say him suck lollipop up the place where them used to live. Now, all hell break loose. Are you guys following? All hell break loose. All kind of things are going on. Guys, Knife Ninja start the begging and all those kind of things. I see Knife Ninja do some things that don't make no sense to me. It may make sense to him. However, guys, I saw Vybz. Listen me good enough. I saw Vybz studio making videos about Colasmith, making videos about Colasmith and all these kind of things. No problem with that. He's a content creator. He make any video he wants. All of a sudden, Vybz studio making videos, him and Rumram telling Colasmith to be careful of me because I cannot be trusted. Yeah, making all kind of videos saying I cannot be trusted. Me, Rodney, cannot be trusted. When I have been making videos about Colasmith, towards Colasmith, from Grungad days. Where were they? Now, when they make the videos about telling Colasmith to be careful of me, Colasmith know who I am. Colasmith know that I don't beat around bush when I'm making content. I make straightforward content. Because if you're wrong for me. If you're right for me. And that's just how I am. If I am not going to put the information I have out there, I just go keep it to myself, and that's me. I won't tell a lie on nobody just to get views. Now this guy, Vybz Studio, make up all kind of video towards me. Guys, remember, you know, there is a situation going on with Knife Ninja. In other words, put it this way, we as content creators or bloggers, what people call us, we are showing Knife Ninja where he go wrong. We are beating Knife Ninja. Now you have Vybz Studio come out and said that he is a defender of Colasmith. No problem with that. I have no problem, colors have no problem. I just let people be people. Do your video. If you want to call my name, it's up to you. I don't must say anything to you. However, guys, I saw a video. Listen to what I'm saying here, good enough. I saw after all that happened, after Vybz Studio make all kind of videos about Knife Ninja, beating Knife Ninja family, beating Knife Ninja, go and come, with the name of Colasmith. Listen what I'm saying to you good enough. Using the name Colasmith is beating Knife Ninja, go and come. Beating Knife Ninja family, go and come. Beating Whisper, telling Whisper about the lollipop that he sucked. Are you seriously telling me that you, Vybz Studio, take up your phone and contact Knife Ninja to say to Knife Ninja that you are with him, you're not against him, you all just want to help the people of downtown Kingston. So you want to send money to Knife Ninja. Listen, people, listen to what I'm saying here good. Are you telling me that after you see what Knife Ninja did, and the world see what you did, the videos you make towards Knife Ninja, you contact Knife Ninja? Telling Knife Ninja that you're not against him? You only want to help to feed the people of downtown Kingston. When Colasmith is feeding the people of downtown Kingston. When you can take that money that you say you were going to send to Knife Ninja, You can send that same money to Color Smith to feed the people of downtown Kingston. But you take your phone and contact Knife Ninja to say you're not against him. You all out here to feed people. You Vybz Studio did that. And then when Knife Ninja didn't take the money, you run out and make video saying that Knife Ninja didn't take the money from you. Now let me ask you this question, and I'm being very honest here, people. I'm not beating around the bush. I'm not telling no lie. If the shoes was on the other foot, would you take the money? You little idiot. You stupid. Because this is the same thing you try to do to me. Contact me, want me to go up against Alicia Kim. And then when I did not take your bait, you turn against me and talk about I am a child predator. You tell your daughter to tell me, a grown-ass man, which part to go suck back juice, my mother. You tell your daughter that to come out on YouTube to do that. And your daughter so stupid enough to listen to what her drunken father said and tell me twice where I should go suck back juice, my mother. And now look at the stupidity that you have done. Look at the the stupidity. Look at the foolish. Look at the idiotic move that you have done. Look at it. Look how stupid you look. The same person that you curse. The same person that you curse, and then you said you're a defender of Color Smith. Then you go and contact this man and ask him, tell him you're going to send donation, and he refused the donation. He refused the donation, and what did you do? You go and make a video saying he refused the donation money. Then you go and make another video stating that you know the reason why he refused the donation money. Would you take the donation money after you beat him up, bash him up and all those things? Would you take it? That's the reason why you should think about what you're saying out of your mouth. You are the person that Color Smith need to be careful of. You, not me. Because I would never do something like that. I would never contact Knife Ninja and ask him anything, to give him any donation, to do nothing towards him while I'm beating him up. I'm not that stupid. You're an idiot. You have no sense, just for money. And then you have this little idiot, this little not have no sense, this little unscrupulous Vybz with Rosa, take up the video and run with it. Knife Ninja didn't take donation. Are you two an idiot? Why you two have the same name, Vybz? Are you two are such a dumbass that you make a video like that, that you do that? Contact Knife Ninja to say, oh, I'm going to give you a donation after you beat him up and tell him in using Color Smith name. You have no sense, guy. You're an idiot. You have no sense. You need to go back to school and learn some form of sense and knowledge in your big dome where you have. Because making that video was the part that shows that you are as dumb as a bat. You is as dumb as a bat. When I see the video, I could not believe that you really make a video like that. I couldn't believe. you go and make a video like that. After you coming out, everybody coming out, spinting out, telling this man, this brother were against Scholar Smith. After everybody coming out, making videos, doing this, doing that, you too, you go and contact this man. And you not only contact him and ask him if you can send him donation. You say things. You say that we all together and want to help. So, are you together for making money or for bashing? You see, guys, this is the reason why I am working hard to just get out of this kind of making of video because of idiotic, stupid, fools, dumbass like these. Then now, let me talk to you. You, Mr. Beggy boy. Best if you take a pan and go up on the side of the road. Go beg money, cause that's all you do. You know, make content. You need to make content. Your channel is now the food channel. Feeding people downtown. It's not Knife Ninja anymore. Yeah? It's not Knife Ninja anymore. It's feeding downtown people. That's your name of your channel. Now, me hear you talk about striking people's channel. And if you did stay a certain way and one heap of thing. But let me say this to you. The farm that you are talking about to fill up, to strike people channel. Do you think YouTube just jump up and strike your channel right away? What do you think YouTube do? Let me help you out. Anytime you put up something about your things that somebody used for you, what YouTube do is send you an email. Yes, YouTube send you an email. And when YouTube send you an email, YouTube tell you that this part of the video is for such and such. Or sometimes they won't tell you whose video it is, but they'll tell you exactly the part of the video that you need to cut out. And them tell you, say you can take it out, the video, edit it out, or you can fight it if you believe that something is not right. So YouTube don't just strike you because you fill out a form. Yes, YouTube not just do that. And let me teach you something because you believe you're Mr. Intelligent. Anybody can use your video as long as them fix it up. And my viewers and subscribers and content creators, listen to what I'm saying to you. Any video that you're going to use with Knife Ninja in it, go back in your editing. Yeah? All you have to do is just remove the video and add something in the video, right? When you're editing your video, listen to what I'm saying here now. When you're editing your videos, write something in it. If you're using Knife Ninja video, listen me good enough. If you're using his video, write something in it. Yeah, write. Like you write something in it, put your picture in it, put something in it. Don't just have that video out there. Add something to the video. You can write something, you can put a screenshot of something, you can say anything in it. Put something in it. When you do that, no matter what him do, YouTube will never even say a word to you. So always remember to add something, like add a picture. If you have a picture, put the picture in the right hand corner, the left hand corner, or somewhere. Or minimize the video. Like say for instance, take a shot of like my background, yeah? Take a shot of it. Then you put it in there, then you put the video over it. Minimize it, so that means people can see the background. Don't just put his video up there, because he's threatening to strike people. So to each and every one out there, protect yourself. And let me say this, not only his video, but any video you're using away from Colorsmith or mine. Because Colorsmith not gonna strike nobody. Colorsmith could have strike every one of us. All of we would have not have no page. Colorsmith could have strike every single one of us. But him not do that. Because Colorsmith know that the more we talk about him, is the more he's going to get support from all about. But Knife Ninja now, he's not going to get the support that he's getting, so he'll strike. Do not listen to what he's saying about because of how him stay. But my viewers and subscribers, Knife Ninja is just bitter. So because he's bitter, he will do just about anything. And then you notice his brother's not with him. So he will do anything just to get that energy. So, but guys, my point is really and truly is with this boy we name Vybz Studio. I just cannot believe that this guy really and truly make a video like that. I cannot believe he even go out and contact Knife Ninja with the intention of sending money to Knife Ninja. Listen me guys, and I go teach you guys something. And I know you guys are not dumb. I know you guys are smart people. I want you to sit down and really take in consideration what this guy did. Colorsmith is feeding people downtown. You have Sheridan downtown that need the help. And you're telling me that you contact Knife Ninja, telling Knife Ninja that you're not against him. You just want to help to feed the people downtown. After you make all these videos about him, after this guy do all this thing towards Colorsmith, who you say you're the defender of. No, you said that Colorsmith should be afraid of me. Now, let me ask you this. Who more sound like Colorsmith need to be aware of and afraid of? Me or you? Listen to me now. And this part is the part that's going to make so much sense to a lot of you. I want to listen. By the way, guys, if you reach this far in the video, you thumbs up the video yet? You like the video? You share the video? You comment on the video yet? And guys, remember, domestic violence is on a rise. Yes, domestic violence is on a rise. So protect yourself and protect others. And guys, walk away from trouble if you can. And also, guys, mental health crisis is serious. So what you need to do, check on your friend. Do wellness check, do wellness call. Check on them, make sure them alright, make sure them in good health and yes guys, just check on your friends, check on your family, make sure everybody is in good health and good strength. And guys, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. I hope and wish you all the best. Today the 1st of July, so big up all the July people out there. We're born on the 1st and we're born in the month of July. You don't know, a summer and it's hot. Yes guys, back to what we are talking about. It is, if you want to donate or if you want to support the people downtown, you would not contact Knife Ninja, you would contact Colors. Colors Smith was on your live. Sure. Make this make sense, no man. Colors Smith was on your live, youth. That means Colors feel comfortable coming on your live and talking to you. Now you see the difference between you and other people. You're no different from Knife Ninja. You're no different from Knife Ninja. You all are the same. You all are the same set of people running down money and don't know we do anything for money. You same Vybz studio. You will do anything for money. Money make every hair upon your body turn up. You little nastiness, you make, listen to me. It's one of the dumbest thing I ever see somebody could have done. Imagine this man, you're making videos about this man on the behalf, and this is the thing, this, guys, this is what me I talk about. That's why I said Color Smith need to be careful of people. Because at the end of the day, Color Smith is not a friend with us. We are acquaintance that we make videos about him, you know, all those kind of things. Color Smith don't know us. It's not like we are friends. We are lovers. We like what Colors are doing. We respect what Colors are doing. We like and respect what Colors are doing. And we want to see him go up. Let me say this. Colors is not. None of us is perfect. Let me use that word. Colors are me, are you. None of us is perfect. We all have our claws. We all done things that we wish we never do. However, are you saying to me that after all this, all what you have seen done on social media towards Color Smith and Knife Ninja, you're going to take your phone and send Knife Ninja a message wanting to donate money? Now, let me ask you this question. So what if Knife Ninja said yes and take the money, said yes to you? You was going to send him the money. guys. Yeah, this is my question to you. What if Knife Ninja say yes for the money? What was you going to do? Was you going to send him the money? Then make a whole video about, yeah, I send money to Knife Ninja? Now let me say this. Let me be honest with you all out there. I want to know Mr. Aradine. Me go be honest. Was you trying laugh off of them, me and laugh off of them. Guys, hold on a little bit. Now let me say this to you. Honesty is honesty. Yeah, man. Honesty is honesty. But Vybz Studio, let me ask you this question, you see? And me go ask you this question in the legal way. Were you trying under style to set up Knife Ninja to make money, or were you just being stupid? Or were you being idiotic when you contact Knife Ninja? Let me say something to you, Vybz Studio. I'm going to say this to you. I have seen you do dumb shit. I have seen you do dumb shit. But this is one of the dumbest, stupidest, foolest, idioticness. What word should I make up again? Problematicness. Have me excuse. Fuck upness. Dirtiness. Senseless. I don't know what else word can I make up about this that you do, this that you have done, this stupidness, this. Jesus, have mercy upon your soul, man. God, when you make this little blind Bartimaeus, when you make him, hold on, a dark, a midnight, they make you. Them man, they never make you when no light did on. No light.